Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Defi Dwi Cahya Ningrum and you can call me Devi. I am the second semester student of Medical Record and Health Information Department. In this special occasion, I would like to present about qualitative and quantitative analysis from the two examples of medical record templates. So, let's go! The first thing you must know is about data and information. What's the difference about data and information? In general, data has the meaning of raw facts, whether in the form of a collection of numbers, words, or symbols, which are obtained from observation or reference sources that can be processed into other forms. So, the data can be used, it must be processed into information. So, information is a collection of data in the form of numbers, words, or symbols processed and managed properly so that the raw data can become something that is understandable and useful for the recipient. And the methods used to transform the data into the information are qualitative and quantitative methods. Then, what is the character of each these qualitative and quantitative analysis methods? Let's go to the next point. And these are the differences in characteristics that we will discuss. There are research methods, object, and data form. First, the qualitative analysis from this slide. You can see that there are some points that should be critically analyzed. In qualitative research, data is obtained from an inductive process, namely a method of thinking that departs from specific premises to general principles. Qualitative research focuses on describing a phenomenon based on quality aspects, which generally cannot be measured by standard measures. Qualitative data obtained from a research object. Qualitative data will record and describe all types of phenomena related to the object of research. That is why qualitative data is less precise if it is obtained from research involving more than one object, because it causes the data coverage to be too broad. And then, quantitative data can be obtained by involving more than one research focus or one research object that has many other objects in it. And the last one, the form of qualitative data is verbal and descriptive information about an object. This information is generally presented in the form of descriptions, interpretation, and assessments of the phenomena and processes during which the research was carried out. Since qualitative data doesn't involve computable numerical data, it doesn't require additional presentation such as graphs, diagrams, and other statistical interpretation tools. Second, we are going to have quantitative analysis from this slide. In quantitative research, data are obtained from deductive-inductive processes depending on the result desired by the researcher. Quantitative research focuses on measurable data which will later be used to draw conclusions and provide an assessment of the object under study. And then quantitative data can be obtained by involving more than one research focus or one research object that has many other objects in it. And the next one, the form of quantitative data is numerical information that can be calculated and quantified. This data is more certain because it is symbolized by certain numbers or formulas. The presentation of quantitative data can be in the form of numbers, statistics described in the tables, diagrams, and curves. Okay, and this is an example of a medical record template. This form of medical record is very suitable for quantitative analysis. For example, by analyzing the consistency in writing and filling out medical records. Is the name written on the first sheet the same as the name on the next sheet. That is one example of the subject of quantitative analysis in medical records. Let's move to the next template. If we pay attention, this template is different from the previous one. At the beginning of the document, we are shown how to complete this form. Such medical records are more suitable for analysis using qualitative methods. Examples of problems that are used as material for discussion are social data. For example, how many people in an area have the disease X? Then explain it, the causes, and what treatment measures should be given by the doctor. The following is the material that I got from various sources. In my opinion, qualitative and quantitative analysis are complementary to each other. From qualitative analysis, we can draw conclusions that complement quantitative data. And with quantitative analysis, we can draw conclusions based on diagrams, tables, and other statistical tools. I think that's all of my presentation. I hope that it will be beneficial information for you all. Thank you for your occasion and attention. Have a great day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ramadan Mubarak.